Hey guys, welcome back to Custom Clear Images Paint Studio. Custom Van Life. We're the only vanner in doing van life is doing it the old school way with the old fender flares and air dam. Today I might be sanding the hood right there. I just used my barbecue a little bit. It cooked a lot of food. The food's in there. I got my EcoFlow still good. It helped. That barbecue helped not take any energy out of the EcoFlow Delta 2 or the backup battery. And it saves me from using my hot plate and all that. I have put my barbecue back. I cleaned it and I put it away right there. That was a great, smart investment. So earlier I met up with my buddy Brian. There's two Brians that are going to help me out with this van. This is my shower head. This is so temporary right now, but yeah, I want to hook it right into here. I got a wall coming out, wall here, floor, and a front cover. So this will be up in here. That's just for right now. Like I said, I have two Brians, friends of mine that want to help me out with my van. So I just met up with my buddy Brian Audio. He wants all the dimensions, floor space, what I'm going to use, so we can start designing the sound system for this van. Probably do that tonight. Send it over to him. And my other buddy Brian has a secret. In 2 weeks, this van is going to start to be customized. Both Brians, when they do help me out with my custom van build, both the ideas that in 2 weeks, my buddy Brian with his secret is going to be all videotaped on this channel, and my buddy Brian is going to be videotaped when installing the stereo. And that both are going to be on my the van's show sign, so it can, both their names are going to be across it. You know, this was done by Brian. Not going to say the last name until it comes up. And both of them are, you know, the secret of what's going to happen to my van in a couple weeks here. Can't wait. Both their names will be on my show plate, on the show sign that I do. But yeah, so I can't wait. I've got the fire up. I'm fired up to start customizing this van and get her going. Like, enough's enough. So yeah, so far so good. And yeah, Brian Audio. The reason I'm having him help me is because John and Brian both helped me out with my 1991 S10. And John built the box. Bless his soul, he's not with us anymore. I went to school with him from kindergarten to grade 12. Ain't here anymore, so I'm going to get Brian to help me out. Brian hooked up the stereo in the S10 that made us the highest sound pressure level. This is a first place in one of the competitions that we did. I've got a couple more tucked away in the cabinets, but yeah, the guy did it by ear. He tuned it by ear. No microphones, no sound pressure level testers, no nothing, no shop. We did it in a Walmart parking lot. He tested it by ear, and we became 2 shops, big money beat us. So privateer, we were the loudest. We became 3rd loudest in Western Canada in that S10. This van is going to be even louder than that. So I can't wait, Brian Audio. When we design this idea, it's going to be off the charts. And Brian secret with his idea in a couple weeks. I cannot see both you guys, even before the job is done or even started. I just want to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Okay, so I'm gonna just sit down and grab a bite to eat, and yeah, so as you can see, there's my sign. I can paint anything on anything. So if you're in the lower mainland from Hope, BC to North Vancouver, let me know. If you need a pinstriping, airbrushing, helmets, jackets, leather, denim, motorcycles, automotive murals, canvases, walls, anything. I can paint anything on anything. So I picked up more food, a little bit more. Those veggie patties a friend of mine gave, thank you. Got eggs, hash browns, cheese, and then my spices and butters. So honestly, I cannot wait to start this thing. So let me just sit down and eat, and I'll get back. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I taped off the edges of the hood, right, all along, and I threw a coat and a t-shirt over the any vents, so I cannot get any dust or sand from the sandpaper into the engine compartment. So let's get sanding. The reason I'm redoing it is I wasn't happy with how it looked, and it's not up to my standards. Plus the clear coat started cracking. Hold on a sec. Let's continue.